A very good afternoon to Dr. Askari and friends. Today I will present about my topics, the crop maintenance. So about the company, my company is SP Agriculture Machinery, Sdn Bhd, which I own the company. The CEO responsibility is defining the company's long-term visions, goals, and strategic direction, monitoring the financial performance, including profitability, budgeting, and financial reporting. CEO responsibility also identifying and mitigating risks that may impact on the company reputation, financial performance, and the regulatory compliance. So for the introductions, agricultural productions involves almost all aspects of cultivation, harvesting, processing, storage, and transportation of crops. It depends heavily on the availability of agricultural inputs such as labor, water, arable land, and other resources like energy and fertilizer, which are significantly affected by the type and scale of farm practices. This task will focus on the crop maintenance activities and the agricultural mechanization involved in the crop maintenance. Other than that, the details of the agricultural mechanization selected also be covered, including the economics and other possible modification. The objective of this reports is to identify machineries that involve in crop maintenance, which is the tractor implements and drones, fertilizer applicator and sprayers, and the details of the machineries. The crop maintenance machinery consists of three important stages that included in the process of producing agricultural product, namely sowing, crop maintenance, and harvesting. Every time a new crop is sown, farmers must plan activities and resources to keep the crop in optimal conditions for yield and quality of the crops. After that, to allow an appropriate growth of crop and subsequent harvest, a set of tasks called crop maintenance need to be done. The definition of crop maintenance, it is a set of tasks that allow maintaining, intervene, and improve the condition of the plant and the environment. There are various types of machinery involved, such as tractor and implements, drone, sprayer, fertilizer applicator, and so on. The first is drone or unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV). The benefits of drone is it is capable to enhance field operation more effectively and efficiently, created a new working environment that is more attractive and labor-saving operation. It is also able to do work of spraying fertilizer and pesticide and able to do mapping, collecting data such as pest infestation, water stagnant, and so on. The working principle of drone. The UAV system has two parts, the drone itself and the flight controller. The flight controller is a combination of hardware and firmware that includes algorithms that allow it to understand all the data it gets from sensor and controls. In other words, the plants or the areas that were spotted reflect different amount of green light and near-infrared spectroscopy (NIRS), which help to produce multi-spectral images to track any defects. The drone or frame holds all the components together. It provides its shape and stability, and it comes from various designs such as quadcopters, hexacopters, or octocopters. The propeller is powered with electric motors for it to spin at high speeds. These rechargeable batteries, typically lithium polymer or lithium ion. It provides necessary energy to operate the motors, electronic, and other components. This is the specification of drone. The efficiency of drone, it can spray up to 3 hectare per hour. The precision of spraying 1 piece high pressure nozzle with flow rate 1.65 to 1.70 liter per minute. The material of propeller is carbon fiber. The capacity battery is 16,000 mAh with flying duration of 15 to 20 minutes. The flight mode is manual or semi-auto and also auto. The connection is Bluetooth and GPS navigation. The economic price is 50,500. So the modification of this drone is the 10-liter agricultural drone tank that is made of high quality plastic specially for pesticide and fertilizer spray purposes. It has an easy open lid to input the liquid, and the size of the tank is 20 to 15 to 10 cm, suitable with the 16,000 mAh. The tank also has battery traps and holder for easy setup. And this is the maintenance of a drone. It consists of 6 maintenance. Firstly is pre-flight checks, such as visual inspection, battery checks, propeller inspection, and controller check. For post-flight maintenance, it consists of drone cleaning, damage inspection. For battery care, it is required to proper charging and storage, and also the performance of the battery. Next is software updates, storage, and also the regular calibration. The crop maintenance machinery. The second is the fertilizer applicator. Fertilizer are essential inputs in agriculture, supporting sustainable food production, economic growth in rural communities, and global food security. Properly managed fertilizer use is crucial for maximizing benefits while minimizing environmental impacts, ensuring a sustainable future for agriculture. Thus, a tractor-mounted fertilizer spreader serves the essential function of evenly distributing fertilizer or other granular materials onto agricultural field. The benefits of this fertilizer applicator is it is capable for distributing fertilizer over a large rate of land in a consistent application. It is also able to promoting uniform growth and maximizing yield potential. It can cover large area quickly and efficiently, reducing the time and labor required compared to manual spreading. It is often be used spread other granular materials such as lime, herbicide, and pesticide, depending on the specific design and attachment. The specification of fertilizer applicator, the hopper capacity, about 650 liters. Maximum load approximately 650 kilogram. The hopper type control is fiberglass with closed bottom as a part of floor. Hopper shape is square. Effective spreading width from left to right spot is about 15 to 25 meters. Loading height 1090 millimeter. Tractor PTO RPM 540. Tractor PTO suitability with shaft with 6 spline, 1 to 3 4-inch diameter. Tractor linkage category is Cat 1 and Cat 2. The economic price is about 25,000. The working principle of fertilizer applicator. Firstly, the hopper. The hopper can vary in size and shape depending on its capacity and type of fertilizer being used. The metering mechanism, it regulates the flow rate of fertilizer from the hopper to ensure consistent application. It can conclude it can include devices such as augers, spinners, or belts that control the amount of fertilizer released based on speed and settings. The distribution system, once the fertilizer is metered, it is distributed across the width of the field. This is typically achieved through spinners, bees, or sprayers that spread the fertilizer evenly on the ground. The attachment to tractor. Fertilizer applicators are mounted on tractors, including the tractor's power takeoff (PTO) or hydraulic system to drive the metering and distribution mechanism, which allow efficient operation and easy maneuverability across the field. Adjustable setting for application rate, spread, spread width, and pattern. It can be adjusted based on the type of crop, soil condition, and specific fertilizer requirements. Monitoring and control provide real-time feedback on application rate, coverage, and any potential issues during operation. The modification of fertilizer applicator is by the adoption of variable rate technology (VRT) liquid fertilizer applicator aim to reduce environmental pollution due to excessive applicator of fertilizer and at the same time getting more field profit. This modification consists of two designs. System 1, which use redox potential-based soil fertility sensor, and System 2, adoption of digital soil test kit, which use colorimetric method. The third crop maintenance machinery is water sprinkler. Since plants depend on water, a reliable irrigation system is one of the most important factors to take into account while building a greenhouse. Drip irrigation and overhead irrigation. Overhead irrigation are the two types of irrigation system that are typically utilized in greenhouses. This irrigation system benefit farmers by saving them time and energy as compared to the conventional method of watering with a hose or watering buckets. They can irrigate thousands of plants with less effort and less time. A sprinkler irrigation system functions similarly to a typical rainfall system for watering your land. The sprinkler head, control valve, water pump, and pipe make up the essential components of an irrigation sprinkler. The specification of water sprinkler is the dimension about 900 times 900 times 385 millimeter. Spray uniformity coefficient is up to 80%. Maximum spray width 15 meter. Sprinkler head angle 80 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Celsius, and 360 degrees Celsius. Working speed 4 to 16.5 meter per minute. The maximum the wax pressure 0.3 MPa. Motor power about 250 watt. The input power about 220 volt or 50 hertz. Inter water pressure 2 to 5 kgf per cm square. Water flow 40 liter per hour to 130 liter per hour. The economic price is about 15,000. The working principle of water sprinkler is the pump is responsible for pumping the water from lower to higher levels. The water flow passes through a system of pipes mainly by pumping. The water will come out at the opening of the sprinkler head. Motor of 250 watt will help the sprinkler to move from back to the greenhouse. All the operational system of water sprinkler use electricity as the main power sources. This is the modification of water sprinkler. The pump is responsible for pumping the water. Then the water pass through the pipes. Then all the operation system of water sprinkler use electricity, which come from the sunlight to the solar panel. The maintenance of water sprinkler is routine checks. The water sprinkler system need to be checked regularly to ensure that all the components are functioning properly. Secondly is sprinkler nozzle maintenance. The sprinkler nozzle is an important in the water sprinkler system. It needs to be checked periodically to ensure that they are not clogged with dirt or mineral deposits. Control of watering time and frequency. Water sprinkler consists Water sprinkler systems are often equipped with time controls or automation systems that regulate the time and frequency of watering. It is important to set the right watering time based on the needs of the plant and weather condition. And lastly is the repair and maintenance. If there is damage to the sprinkler system, repairs need to be done immediately. So for the conclusion is the rapidly expanding field of crop management is in agricultural has the potential to help growers. Crop maintenance may help farmers and producers stay competitive in the global market by enhancing efficiency, productivity, profitability, working condition, and environmental sustainability. We may anticipate seeing increasingly creative and effective methods to field agricultural cultivation as technology advances. But mechanization also comes with certain drawbacks, such as the expense of labor and the need of specialized equipment. All the things considered, crop management machinery is a technology advancement that could completely change how crops are cultivated. With their increased production, efficiency, and environmental sustainability, this machine contribute to a more sustainable agriculture going forward. And this is the references that I use. That's all from me. Thank you for your kind attention.